So your abduction pillow will be placed between your arm and your body. So if you can hold that for me. Just lift your left arm up. The shoulder sling will attach with Velcro with the pillow. So what you're going to do is place your arm inside of the sling. Go ahead and push that all the way down there. Just place your elbow all the way in the back of the sling for me. This is going to attach to the pillow. It's a Velcro strap. Keep your arm in place. Has a little foam ball. Body, if you can lift your right arm for me. Go and hold that for me. This person go under her arm. Place your arm inside there. Elbow all the way in the back of the sling. You place the sling on, elbows bent at 90 degrees, elbow behind the sling. These are zip ties to compress the sling together. You push this down, and you're going to tighten to the brace to your comfort level. Push down the button, pull the drawstring to get the brace nice and snug. Foam ball helps with your blood circulation. If the arm is getting numb, you can squeeze it, get the blood flowing.